Um, so came back from gym. I slept. I found it so hard to do auditing work today. Like I just couldn't. But I did do some. I think the reason why is that I didn't set a goal for today. I just said I would do auditing work, and I woke up late. So from tomorrow, I'm gonna try to wake up a bit earlier. Like I woke up at quarter to, I woke up at quarter to 9, and I need to be up at like at least 7 o'clock. Me like when I go to uni, I wake up at 5 6 o'clock between that area, that 1 hour interval. But I need to start pushing. I need to start lowering the time so I get more of my day done early. I did do auditing work, so I am sticking to that discipline, but I could have done more. So I'm gonna set a goal for tomorrow that I need to hit for auditing, and I'm about to start journaling for this. Start journaling for this. Finishing off the journals I didn't complete from December. So I have about, it says 15 here that I have left to do, and each journal takes about 5 minutes, so it's quite a bit of time. I will see you guys soon. Yeah, so I just got out the shower, just finished my first trading session. The next one is in about 4 hours time, so I'm gonna push auditing for about 2.5 hours. Take 15 minutes breaks or 10-minute breaks throughout. I'm trying to move away from scrolling because my dopamine receptors are kind of screwed. So every time I take a break, I want to walk outside, drink some water, maybe eat, and then I'll come back to studying. So I have about 7 topics that I need to go through in terms of practice, and I will see you guys then. Cool. Okay, this is Tuesday. Oh, okay. Let me do this actually. Okay, so it is Tuesday, and we just finished trading for Tuesday. Took 2 losses today. Missed out on no wins. It was a losing day. I have to go through the trades and understand what I did wrong. I think December price action, like this past week, has just been really bad. Like I'm still sitting at an above 80% win rate, but normally it's like 4 wins, 1 loss. Now I've taken 3 losses in a row, 4 losses in a row. Some of those losses I did break my rules, so I did deserve to lose. And now we forget about that and we hit leg day. Leg days today, which I'm not looking forward to. Let's go do it. So, ladies and gentlemen, sorry about that. I'm just doing a voiceover because the mic quality was really bad, and as you can see, I was trying to talk into a new mic because the gym gets really loud and I can't talk. But I was just talking about how I hate leg day, how we're doing this to build discipline, and currently looking at the pendulum squat. Is it called the pendulum? Yeah, the pendulum squat. Oh, it's horrible. It's horrible. I genuinely, I don't enjoy leg day too much because it's a lot on your mental, and I mean maybe my mentality is quite weak, but I need to fix that. But let's see let's see the range of motion and how deep I go, and yeah. So I don't know how much that's on, but I know that's probably a 15 on the back and a 20 on the front. To The weight was heavy, and I don't trust myself with this yet because we just joined a new gym, and this is the third time using this machine. So first squat was okay. That was okay. I'm not getting as deep as I should be getting. I should be dropping much lower. I think I'm a bit afraid that my knees will give out and I'll fall all the way to the bottom. The thing is, I have weak ankles, so I when I push with my toes. So that's why my legs are so high up on the I forgot the name of that, but like where you place your feet. And squats are okay, I guess. I need to go lower. I need to go deeper. Look at my chest is going. I remember it was quite tough. I think this was my last set on this machine. So I was already really tired. The breathing was intense, so saved you guys from that a bit. But yeah, and okay, we're done. And I think I only showed one of these, but yeah, this was hell. Thanks, guys. Okay. Oh yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. Just finished leg day. I think today was like the first day where where I didn't feel motivated, which is kind of sad. I still pushed hard, but I meant maybe just leg day in general. I hate leg day. I still did it though. Still pushed hard. My legs are very sore. I didn't want to do cardio. I still did 20 minutes of cardio. Sweating like a pig. That's why I'm wearing the jersey. So, because I'm wearing white, and I don't know if you can see that, but that's all sweat. It's not the same color of the t-shirt, so that's disgusting. But we're done for the week. Well, for the short week. Break days tomorrow. You can take a rest day. I'll probably upload this video hopefully tomorrow. Still prepping for auditing, but another video will come. Let me get home, let me shower, and I'm gonna start pushing auditing again. I will see you guys later. Okay, today is Wednesday, the 31st of December, day before New Year's, and I'm in a short now. So I currently took a short, aiming for these lows, in hopes that we go down lower. Feeling that the overall trend is bearish. We're on a bit of a retracement, so let's see what happens, and I will let you guys know what happens from here now. Cool, see you in a bit. So guys, just trade update. It's been 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 minutes, and we've just hit TP for a nice 2%. It would have been more, so a 3% gain here, but on the account at 2.5 because I account for spread, and my spread is about that high, above that high. To account for spread, it's an increase of 3 pips. So I got like a nice 2.4, I think. But I needed it, because this entire week has been dreadful. I mean, Monday. Was it Tuesday? It was Monday. Monday, I missed 2 trades. If I wasn't on the funded account, I would have had no spread, would have been tagged in, and would have won the trades. So I would have been up 4%. And then I lost the trade on Monday, so I would have been up 3%. But because I didn't get tagged in, I was down 1% on the day. And then yesterday, I took 2 trades, both losses. There was no winning trade yesterday, unfortunately. One of them I broke my rules for yesterday, and one of them I was meant to take a loss. And then I'm just glad I finally caught a trade today, and I was actually tagged in the trade, thank God. But yeah, now we're up 2% on the accounts again, away from drawdown. So I'll see you guys if a setup occurs again. Okay guys, so again, second trading session of the day. Remember, we are up 2%, it's about to hit stop loss on this short that I was taking. And yeah, let me show you the short. So price had a small change of character over here. I wanted price to retrace and then just continue to hit these lows, and we're heading towards stop loss now. So I'll let you guys know if we hit stop loss or take profit. Most probably stop loss, and I'll see you guys in the next trade. So literally a second later, we hit stop loss, and that's about 1% down. So we are still 1% up on the account, and yeah, I'll wait for the next trading session. Yo, welcome back everyone. So I'm just posting this video as a form. Remember, we're building discipline throughout the week, and it's just gonna be a short video because I am writing an auditing paper on Tuesday. It's my supplementary, so I'm trying to save the year, and I'm a bit nervous, but we'll see how it goes. But anyway, let me get into it. This week went well. So in terms of gymming, I have only missed 2 days, unfortunately, and I'm gonna miss 3 days actually, because I've been studying for auditing, and I know it's no excuse, but I do prioritize saving the year, my whole 2025 year, more important than going to gym. It's not a matter of fact of I didn't have time. It's just that with the new year in place, the times are off. I usually train at 6 p.m. and because of the week being New Year and holidays, gym closes at about 4 o'clock. So that's a bit of a bummer. I'm making excuses, unfortunately. I could have woken up early and gone, but I did do that. I hit a leg day, and I couldn't study the whole day. So I took an executive decision and said I'll cut out gym for the rest of these few days, as well as next week Monday, which is tomorrow, and I'll study, and then I'll continue consistency. So I haven't been too consistent, so I'm not happy with that development in terms of gym. Day trading, I've been taking a few losses, 2% down on the account, or 1% down on the account. I was up 6% last year, which kind of sucks. I went on a losing streak. I haven't yet gone back and taken a look at my trades, because again, I'm trying to fix the year and not fail. In terms of academics, I would say it's going phenomenal. I had 1 day of procrastination where I did look at my books. I forced myself to look at my books, and I couldn't do it. I did 1 3-hour paper, and I couldn't do any more than that the whole day. And it was actually quite odd. I was looking at my discipline, and I saw this Alex Hormozi reel, and he said, like, discipline isn't an action, is because, like, you could do something and say you're being disciplined. So he said it wasn't an action, it's actually doing the things that suck, that you hate. So one of the few things is cardio. That's one of the few things, and I have been doing that when I go to gym, so that's good. But another one of my things is, and has to be, waking up early. I genuinely can't for the life of me, and I set alarms for 6 a.m. I'll wake up and I'll snooze my alarms. That's a big problem. So from next week, and I'm going to try moving forward, I need to wake up before 6 a.m. because usually my trading starts at about 8-9 o'clock. I'm usually up before that. So from now on, I want to try and wake up before 6 a.m. So yeah, and then I'll start moving it up, go to 5 a.m. and then I'll stay there, because for the life of me I can't. And I know it's a discipline problem, because I hate doing it, and it's going to build discipline. So yeah, I'm gonna start trying to implement that from next week. I'm also gonna try and implement recording bi-weekly videos, so twice a week. Although my rules say I need to post 1 short every day in the week, and 1 form of long content, long viewership content, which is what I'm doing now. So I'm just going to try for 2, because it's better for content growth and influencer growth. So I'm going to try that, and I'll see where that goes. So we spoke about day trading. Day trading has sucked. I need to, after my paper, I'm going to go back, look at my trades. I have been journaling them, which is good. I have missed a couple of days, but I did keep the data to journal it. So it's completely fine. That's fine. As long as I finish it by the end of next week, I'll be okay. Academics, again, great. But I don't know if it's discipline yet, because I am writing a paper, and you're more likely to be motivated when you're writing a paper to continue to push and continue to study. So I'll have to see after I write my paper, and to wish me luck, because I go back on the 26th, and I have to push, because our first paper is 2 weeks later, or it's a week later or 2 weeks later. It's around the beginning of Feb. So I want to prep enough for that. And yeah, that's basically it. So after auditing, I'm going to see how hard it is for me to study, knowing that I have no work that's due now. Like, auditing is due now. I have a paper in 2 days' time. That's why I'm pushing as hard as possible. But I want to keep this effort when I don't have a deadline on the line. So I know that I can just do everything now. Do it now. That's what I want. That's where I want to be. I haven't been gaming, which is great. I've been playing Clash Royale. So, but that's just me time. I've switched from Clash Royale to doom scrolling. That's also another thing I'm very proud of. I've dropped my hours from about I there was one time during the holiday I spent like 6 hours on Instagram just doom scrolling, so that sucked. But every day it's below 2 hours, and I know it's still a lot, and I want to get it at least 1 hour to 30 minutes a day. That'll take time. But overall, I'm glad of the improvements I'm seeing. I just want to see how everything goes next week. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for listening, and please like and subscribe. Apparently more people do it if you say it in your videos, so I'm gonna say it. I feel like a sellout though. But yeah, I'll see you guys next week, and enjoy the rest of your week.